Well, I'd like to welcome from the South Orange County Community College District, James Wright. He's one of the trustees, has been a trustee and involved with that college for many, many years, and it is fantastic to have you back again. Okay. Always good to see you.
Thank you. It's good to come.
Yeah. Yes. And you've been, as you were saying to me earlier, you were a dean there for quite a number of years and been a trustee for a while now. And
for 8 years.
It is really, the college district as a whole is just phenomenal.
It's a wonderful district.
It really is.
Two wonderful colleges.
Yeah, yes. So you're going to talk about several different things that are going to be coming up soon. And first, you brought along an information side, what the district area is and what it serves. And it's quite a large area, isn't it?
Yes, it is. We encompass 382 square miles in South Orange County, serving over 900,000 residents in 26 communities. And we serve about 60,000 students a year.
Wow.
So,
yeah, that's quite impressive.
It really is.
Yeah. And you want to talk about some of the goals achieved. And you really, there's been a lot over the past couple years. I know you folks celebrated your 50th anniversary, I think, 2 years ago?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, what happened there is that we had a board goal. Mm-hmm. We got together on January the 13th, and we went over our goals. We had 8 goals, and including the goal to maintain a lifelong learning in the Emeritus Institute program.
Right.
We're going to maintain that. That's a wonderful program.
Yeah, it is.
In fact, we may even expand it. So
great.
It's
certainly important to this community.
It really is important.
Now, as far as events, something that you guys have a lot of in both campuses.
Yes. We have some exciting events coming up. The public is always invited to attend. In fact, I'll cover a few of those.
Okay,
today.
All right.
The first one is that, in fact, it was yesterday, last evening, the Associated Student Government and the Equity and Diversity Committee just celebrated Chinese New Year on Tuesday, January the 28th, to honor the Chinese culture and to celebrate a prosperous and healthy New Year.
Yeah.
So
great celebration.
That was last night. We have coming up in February at Saddleback College on February the 9th. The Coast Vintage Market will feature an outdoor vintage market at Saddleback College with 200 vendors, food trucks, trailers, and more. And to learn more, there's a website. It's the coastvintagemarket.com, and it'll be an exciting day.
It's a lot of fun. I went there. I didn't even know about it, and we went there. I think it was in October for the first time,
right.
And it's a lot of fun. There's music. There's usually a band there or somebody singing, and there's 2 or 3 food trucks.
Correct.
And it is really neat because unlike a lot of these outdoor markets have become new items that they're selling and,
right.
Fake watches and all this kind of stuff, this is truly vintage stuff, antique stuff, and it's so much fun to go to.
Right.
And we had a really good time. It's something we're going to go back to.
I've been there a couple of times.
Yeah.
I enjoy it.
Like I said, I didn't even know about it. I looked up one day, we didn't have anything to do one weekend, sure. And we looked and go, hey, I didn't know this existed. So,
right.
All right.
At Irvine Valley College, there is a street symphony coming up on February the 21st. Irvine Valley College invites the community to join them for an evening with Vijay Gupta, founder of Street Symphony in the IVC Performing Arts Center. Vijay Gupta is known around the world for bringing people together around the topic of homelessness through symphony.
Very good.
So that should be a good event.
All right. And that, again, that's February 21st.
February 1st. On February the 26th, we're going to dedicate the health center. It's the opening for the health center. February the 26th, we'll host the opening of their much anticipated Health and Welfare Center. This center will serve the health and wellness needs of students to help ensure greater success.
Very good. And this is, did they have something like this at the IVC campus before, and this is an expansion or something new?
They had an area where they had it. So.
Okay, but this is a building dedicated
to it. Now this is
it.
a building
All right.
that is dedicated for that.
Very good.
So
Yeah.
Nancy Montgomery is a wonderful person. She's the assistant dean over that, and she has a wonderful program.
Yeah.
She also has a wonderful program with the veterans.
Oh, very good. Yeah, I've heard about that. IVC is very big with them.
They do that, and so is Saddleback. So
Yeah.
both of them have great
Really.
veterans. And finally, I wanted to just indicate that on Sunday, January the 26th, a fellow member of our community college family was killed in the fatal helicopter crash that also took the life of Kobe Bryant and his daughter, Gianna. We send our condolences to the family, friends, and Coach John Altobello, 27 years baseball coach at Orange Coast College. And it might be his wife was also, and daughter were also on the plane, and they were killed too. Coach Altobello was selected as the National Coach of the Year in 2019 after he had led the Orange Coast College, Community College, to the state championship.
Yeah. Just obviously a whole sad situation up there. And I know the college community in general is one big family,
Yes,
regardless of what district
You bet.
that it's in. And yeah, very, very sad. So, we end with, again, just the different campuses that you have, and ATEP, of course, is moving right along.
Yes, it is.
Is that second building open yet? I know there's a science building, am I right?
There is an engineering building.
Okay.
And we're in the process of putting plans together to build another building.
Yeah.
And then we've also been working with some outside sources who want to come and build some buildings for us. So.
That is fantastic.
Yeah,
Great partnerships.
Yeah, it is.
And I recall that a while back they had a partnership with, I don't know if it was an architectural firm or whatever it was, but it was like an idea house, so to speak.
Yes.
Yeah, I forget who was the partner with on that, but it was some big, one of the home development companies.
Yes.
But that was really neat, to see all those different ideas and innovations, and that's what this campus is all about.
Yeah, we're moving ahead.
Yeah.
We're trying our best.
Yeah, very good. Always good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
We'll see you again in a few months, I'm sure.
Okay.
All right, you take care. And if you want to find out more information, just go to SOCCCD.edu. We'll be right back.